welcome to the week. This is Pooja Viraya, and today, exactly one day after the tragic accident that happened at Mumbai, and four people died while several others still remain severely injured and recuperating. Commuters are asking why and what now? What next? What is the solution to this? And why do we have to face these repeated tragedies that keep happening over and over again? Anguished commuters tell the Week that this is not the first time, that numerous such tragedies have happened earlier as well. There have been little improvement in safety protocols, train frequency, or coach capacity. Even now, the very next day after the tragedy struck on Monday, many continue to board already full trains, pushing away into compartments and standing outside on footboard. Railway Board says that non-air conditioned trains with new designs offering better comfort and safety were likely to be introduced by January 26, and 238 AC train seats were being manufactured for the Mumbai suburban service. Railway officials to whom the Week spoke to stated the new non-AC trains will address a key issue of ventilation using three design changes. The doors will have louvers and mounted ventilation units to pump in fresh air, and coaches will have vestibules allowing passengers to move from one coach to another to spread out the crowd in a natural way. Here's what commuters who hail from places such as Ulhasnagar, Ambanath, Kalyan and such faraway places demand. They demand that the railway board should stop interfering in the Mumbai local railway management and create an independent Mumbai local administration. Four routes should be reserved for local trains between Kalyan and Kurla, and mail and express trains should not be running on these routes during rush hours. Increase the number of coaches and local trains is another demand, but more specifically, introduce new local trains from Diva to reduce overcrowding on Thane-Diva corridor, say activists. Dr. Shrikant Shinde, Shiv Sena MP from Kalyan, whom the Week spoke to, said launching Diva CSMT locals and fast-tracking the extensions of the 5th and 6th lines beyond Kurla is a very, very important demand. As the city mourns the loss of lives, it also confronts a difficult question. What next, and for how long will the citizens have to face this hardship, and why doesn't the railways really take urgent measures such as listed?